In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an air filter in a Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 liter located in the air filter box. So once you're under the hood and you're in the engine compartment, this is the airbox. It's located in front of the driver's seat, master cylinders right here. It's this black plastic box, and it's got the air tube going to the throttle body and a mass airflow sensor. But we don't need to take any of that off. We only need to take the clips, and there's two of them. They're like a banjo clip. We call them banjo or spring clips. It's one's here, and then one identical to that is in the back over here. So you're going to pull on the tab, just pull it like that, and the same on the back. And then it has these two little guides that it kind of slides in. So you want to lift it up and pull. Now you don't need to take everything out and out of the way. You just want to get it enough so you can get that filter out, slide it out, look at it, and take a look inside. And that's just typical sand and a couple of pine needles. I'm not worried about it. What I'm looking for is any sort of nests. Now I kept it in the position that it was when I pulled it out because this particular car has round, and then, see, it's got a little point here. So we want to match that up so we're not fighting with it. There's the point right there. And we'll just slide it right in. Let it fall right into place all the way around. There it is, nice and flush. And just do the reverse procedure. Lift it, slide it into the hook. Make sure it sits down because you don't want any dirt or water getting in there. And then pop the clips down. Hear a click. So how to do that is line it up. I like to push on the spring part, just like that. Don't push on the top handle because you're fighting yourself. So with my thumb, I'm just going to push in. So I pushed in right here and gave it a little help. Now it's locked, it's all set, and you're ready to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.